It's quite late at night, it's quite cold, and I'm working on the car again. The throttle cable was stuck, or sorry, accelerator cable, because it's a diesel, doesn't have a throttle. So what I did was took the cable completely off the car, put it in our blasting cabinet at work to just get the worst of the corrosion off the ends, and that adjuster there. Lubed it with WD-40 and then just ran it backwards forward in the sheath for ages to sort of break down as much of the corrosion as possible. This cable is distinctly second-hand, it's fraying at the end there, but at the moment it works and it's all holding together. One slight irritation was that in order to get the cable off the car, I took that mechanism off the top of the fuel pump. I thought that it would be marked in such a way as it could only go on one way round, but actually under there is a spline, so with lots of little divisions, so I can't be 100% sure I've got it on in exactly the right place. It looks like it's in the right place because if you move it with a pedal, not just doing it by hand, it's just about on that backstop at that end when the cable is fully extended with a tiny bit of slack. So I think it's about right, but the only way to check is to start it up again. So that's what I'm going to do. And again, this is no pre-rehearsal on this. So batteries are on, ignition on, glow plugs glowing. That should go off. And then I'll crank it on the starter. I still haven't fixed that start relay, so I'm just jumping it, but we shall see what happens this time. Doesn't look like it's getting much throttle. Yeah. I know that that's going to be held full down when you start it, which I'm not going to be able to do whilst filming. Batteries are also a bit flat again. How about that then? Right, so that's good. I must have got that lever in the right place. Doesn't smoke that much actually, considering. Good oil pressure. My favourite bit about SD1s, check that dashboard, and a working throttle pedal. Nice then. I'm just going to check the power steering. It feels incredibly heavy. There might not be any fluid in there at all. I don't think there's any clutch. Well, I'm happy with that. I'm going to actually let it warm up a bit because it's still got that coolant in there. And I want that to circulate. That is a bit low. Right, so I'm going to switch that off, put a bit of water and then restart it again.